Hello everyone, it's Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Here in California, we're getting a lot of rain. Lulu's been trying to defecate. She's been trying to poop forever, but she's scared of water. Poor dog. Hurry up, do what you gotta do. Hurry up. Alright, you want me to use the umbrella? Come on, let's go. Alright, you're going the other way. Poor dog. When she was a puppy, she used to pee and poop on the patio when it was raining. I'm doing this video because I was supposed to do a video today anyways. And hopefully you can hear me. A lot of birds in the corner. It's getting even stronger, the rain. Thank goodness I did a whole bunch of work. I planted the new Fuyu persimmon. The old one, when I pulled it out, it's right in here in the pot, I saw it was white roots. So the tree didn't die, it just really died back. I'm not too sure how long I can make a video for. Power went out a little while ago. Like I said, if you're in California, we're finally getting the rain we've been waiting on. And it looks like for the next 3 days it's gonna rain, and then 4 days off and another 3 days of rain. But it brightens up everything. If you can notice, everything just gets brightened up. It feels like within hours, like the plants know this is fresh water. And it just wants to really green up. So, the new planted prep plants, because my wife wanted to buy more peppers. So there's peppers and lettuce and everything in these pots. I hate growing things in pots, but I bought the biggest plants I could, i.e. these tomato plants as well. So in case there is some type of quarantine here in California, ooh, it's getting really windy. We'll have food, because even if you grow from seed, you had to start it in January, and if then, they will not be at this size. So I just bought the biggest plants I could. So I hope everything is okay with you guys out there. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll show an update on here's the pears. Take a look at the pear flowers. Isn't that pretty? Whoops. Not used to doing this with an umbrella, guys and gals. But look at the almonds. They're going to be ready in about a week. We like to eat them green. You can see it right here. It's just full. The whole thing's full. The whole tree. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.